Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Stock markets mostly fell as fears that the US Federal Reserve will maintain its aggressive anti-inflation measures trumped growing optimism over China's economic reopening. Hong Kong dropped after soaring around 15% over the past week on China's easing of strict COVID containment measures. The difficulty of mining a Bitcoin block fell by 7.32%, most since July 2021, with miners powering off machines as a brutal bear market eats into profit. Eurozone government bond yields drifted lower after the European Central Bank's chief economist said inflation was likely close to peaking, and investors prepared for a raft of major central bank decisions. The Bitcoin got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. Shares of Facebook crashed 4.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The French imports will be released at 0745 GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 1330 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.